Hey, I'm Steve, and I work as a manager. And this is my office, at a large organization where thousands of employees create a lot of issues every hour. Every day may seem to be quite challenging with numerous tasks, dependencies, deadlines, and hidden complications. I use links hierarchy to track and control such issue universe. Thanks to its numerous functions, I see the hierarchy of relationships between my issues, epics, and even advanced roadmaps. By applying filters, all the teams can focus on relevant data only. For complexity at scale, I trace dependencies and use pivot analytics at the same time. Detailed issue cards help me to get all the necessary information about the current progress, like time or story point estimation, and even time and status reports. By the way, thanks to colored links, project blocks and bottlenecks are detected much faster. At the end of the day, I generally share my insights with colleagues through my dashboard, so my team can be prepared to perform better results the next day. Finally, it helps me to raise my productivity, improve team collaboration, and work less stressed with an app that does not require countless configurations. Try it now and see how it will make your daily work easier.